Happy Veganuary, day 22. Today we're making Irish stew. I'm actually 1/8 Irish. Thanks, Granddad. Cook 255 grams of vegan beef. Today we're going to be using Gardein. Cook in 15 milliliters of oil, turning for 9 minutes until brown. Then we're gonna put this aside. Cook 1 large onion and 3 celery stalks in 15 milliliters of oil. Now we're gonna add all of our onion and celery mixture into a Dutch oven. Then we're gonna add 3 large chopped peeled potatoes, 3 large chopped and peeled carrots, and 4 small whole yellow onions, and 2 sprigs of thyme. And 1 liter of beef broth over top. Now we're gonna cover this and bring to a boil, then simmer for 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the veggie beef and enjoy.
Hi, how are ya?
That looks amazing. All right, let's try it. That's really good. The vegetables are really yummy. When onions are cooked like this, they're so good and so sweet. That's really good. Yummy.